We're working on a project, a big project. So we are at the Good Samaritan Church. They just recently purchased this property and they want to do a roof in a cost-effective way. Well, when we got up on top of their roof, we discovered that the roof has one-bys. So you can kind of see back in the background that there are gaps that occur when you have this type of decking. So what we recommend is that we lay over an OSB decking in order to make sure that the shingles are properly nailed. Not only do we do that because we recommend it, but also it's a manufacturer's requirement. Unfortunately, that does massively increase the project price. So we gave them an alternative. We said, all right, we can install metal panels, fix any of the larger gaps that are there, but we don't need to put down a full new deck. And in total, although metal is usually more expensive, when you have a scenario like this, it is more cost effective to go ahead and go with a metal roofing panel than it is to go with shingles and decking together. Right behind me is one of the things that we discovered in the tear off of this roof. So you can see that there's a section of the soffit, the overhang, that looks kind of like a ladder. Those pieces were added on, decoratively probably, after the roof was already made. They should have been tied into the main structure of the framing so as to be braced, and they're also crooked. They're really crooked. So we were able to diagnose this problem before we did the tear off, but we were hoping it wasn't going to be all four sides, but unfortunately it is all four sides. So we had to straighten out the lines. So one of the ways to waterproof your fascia is by wrapping it in a metal coil. Behind me, we have one of our workers, and he is bending, or breaking as we call it, the metal pieces so that they can go on the fascia for this church. And that's a wrap for the metal roof at the Good Samaritan Church.